Anazazi Mound Builders. Written by Amanda Pritchard. Illustrations by Kaylee McDonald, Maisha Jones, Emily Ware, Lizzie DuPoncha, Samantha Wenner. Period 2. The Anazazi were hunter-gatherers and one of the earliest farmers. They lived in the Four Corners region. They lived in pit houses, which were dug into the ground. Then they built pueblos, which were above-ground houses made of heavy clay called adobe. They usually built their homes in canyon walls, and they had to use ladders to enter their home. The reason why they had to climb into their homes is because of defense against enemies. Anazazi built kivas, which were ceremonial burial chambers. These kivas were used for ritual and were sacred areas. Some of these rituals were about rain for the crops to grow. Men were the only ones allowed in these kivas. They soon began to abandon their villages after 1300 AD. They did this because of drought, disease, and raids of nomadic tribes, as thought by the scholars. Mound builders. Who were these mound builders, you might ask? They are several farming societies developed in the eastern part of North America. They had a large population and supported it with agriculture and trade. H.A.M. Hopewell's and Dina's Mississippians. These mound builders built mounds to honor their dead. They lived in Mississippi, Ohio, and lower Missouri river valleys. Some of their famous mounds were shaped like birds and snakes. These mounds were found in the southeast by the Europeans. The Mound Builders Society declined by the early 1700s.